So I thought I would come out here and walk around and see what we got going on. We had the plumbers out here. Oh my lord, look at that. That there is a big old, not old, brand new injector pump. And that's going to sit there. And it grinds up all the pee-pee and the poo-poo and all the water and everything, and it pumps it. I'm going to pump it uphill and connect into the sewer underneath the trailer because we're below grade. So that's pretty cool. Pretty awesome possum stuff. And then let's see, trying to figure out what we got here. I know I can't remember everything. I think on this side here, right in here somewhere, there's like a half bath kind of thing. So we got toilet and water. And then I think somewhere over here we got another little basin for washer and dryers here somewhere. We got another place for like a fish station and a washer dryer sink and a basin for a dog shower. I don't remember what everything is. And then over here we got a kitchen island. And then over there we've got, that is supposed to be for the coffee bar. This is for the master bath. And there's probably vent pipes in here for the upstairs, I'm assuming. I'm not completely sure. I'm lost. Anyway, getting stuff in here. The only other thing that they need in here is to put a pipe in for electrical over to the outside wall, so we have power. Got to make sure that gets done before they put concrete in here. Anyway, my friend is over here. I better go talk to him.